all done.
Wait, what are we eating with the chicken wings?
What you mean?
Yeah, but we can't eat chicken wings by itself.
Why can't you? Nobody told me I had to make nothing else. I said I was gonna fry and record the chicken wings. I got my wine. I'm going to sit down somewhere. I ain't say I was cooking nothing else.
Babe, Jade doesn't eat meat.
Ah! What's up, y'all? This is Mia back on the scene, and apparently I have to make a side dish to go with the Chinese takeout chicken wings that I made in the other video. This is a recipe that I came up with on the fly. I was looking to just jazz up some steamed broccoli that I had made for my daughter, and I threw some stuff together and we ended up loving it. And it's been a staple in our household ever since. So it's really quick, really simple, really easy, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys how quick this comes together so I can get somewhere and sit down. All right, let go. Alrighty then, let's get started. Y'all just don't understand how embarrassed I am to make this video because it's so quick and simple. You guys have no idea. So right here, I have a bag of the Bird's Eye steamed fresh broccoli cuts. And we're gonna go ahead and cook this in the microwave according to the package directions. I have a 1000-watt microwave, so this is gonna cook for 5.5 minutes. I'm gonna toss that in there. Hit the 5, hit the start. There we go. 5.5 minutes, guys, and we're gonna move on to the next step. Alrighty, guys, so the broccoli has finished cooking, and I have my pan over medium heat here. It's nice and warm. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get the broccoli into the pan. And if you notice, I haven't added any oil to the pan. This is my non-stick pan, so I try not to add additional oils unless I actually have to. All right, so to the broccoli, we're gonna add a nice teaspoon of minced garlic. We're gonna add a swirl of some low sodium soy sauce. We're gonna add some sesame oil, not much. This is some potent stuff, guys. Couple squirts of sriracha. And we're gonna add just a squeeze of honey. And honestly, that's it. I have never measured any of the ingredients. I was just playing around one day in the kitchen. I was making some steamed broccoli to go with another dish I'd made. And at that particular moment, as much as I love broccoli, I was just tired of plain old broccoli. So I just started playing with some of the Asian seasonings I had in the pantry and threw this together, and like I said, guys, it's been a hit in my house for about 2 years now. And even though I've made this dish over and over and over again, I've never thought to, you know, tack down any measurements. So the best thing I would do is say go to you guys' taste, adjust the seasonings accordingly. You should get a little bit of sweetness in the background. There should be some spice. You should definitely taste that sesame oil. You should be able to smell that sesame oil. It's so good. Now, all I'm doing now is just tossing this around until everything is heated through. Now, the only other thing that I would add to this dish is some thinly sliced green onion. That amps the flavor up just a little bit more. But there you have it, guys. That is my quick and easy spicy broccoli. Thank you guys so much for coming into the kitchen with me once again. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to keep up with what your girl's cooking and what she's doing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.